Ay, nandiyan ka pala? I'm Cris, Andrei, and Lacson, baka 2025-19 from Bayang Pinagpala, Pila, Laguna. Tara, hanapin natin sila. Kaya,
Ayun large. Science.
yan dahil dyan, introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Maurice Lianza, BS Mathematics 2025. I'm 19 years old and I'm from the photography capital of the Philippines, Binangonan, Rizal.
Boom! Yan. Dahil dyan, introduce yourself to the camera.
Mabuhay! Justine Rubio, 18, BS Food Science and Technology, Batch 2025, from the shoe capital of the Philippines, City of Marikina.
Boom! Kaya, dahil dyan, introduce yourself to the camera.
Hi, I'm Gwyneth Reyes, 20 years old, taking BS MSc from the land of the heroes, Bulacan.
Kaya, dahil dyan, introduce yourself to the camera.
Hi, I'm Niña, BS Applied Mathematics, Batch 2025, 19, from Travel City of the Philippines, Pasay City.
Kaya, dahil dyan, introduce yourself.
Hello po, my name is Adon. I'm a 19-year-old BA Communication Arts freshman from the gateway to Bicolandia, Camarines Norte Province.
As a communication student, I watch how the modes of communication change upon the development of research and innovation in the society. I saw how it started from letters to telephone and to smartphone today. Science, technology, and society made me dig deeper upon this. Studying this course helped me understand why and how this development happened and what drives these innovations.
Well, since math major ako, this course made me realize that mathematics and the humanities can coexist. The Mesostick gave me a fresh outlook on my course and it made me appreciate more. It made me realize how crucial these two are when it comes to research and innovation. One needs the creative thinking of arts to innovate as well as the analysis of mathematics.
The course has transformed my view of food science and technology from a purely technical field into a vital social instrument. I now recognize that research and innovation are not just laboratory exercises but are primary drivers of food security and safety in my daily life. This perspective shifts my role from a student of science to a future innovator who must balance the technical advancement with the ethical responsibility of making nutrition accessible for all Filipinos.
As an aspiring teacher, research helps teachers understand what strategies work instead of relying on guesses. At the same time, innovation allows teachers to improve and adjust their methods. Because of this course, I now see that research helps me understand things better, while innovation encourages me to be more creative and open to change.
As someone pursuing applied mathematics, I have learned through this course that science, technology, and society are closely connected in our daily lives. Before, I thought research and innovation were just for scientists. But now, it is evident that it is part of our everyday decisions. It made me more curious, more critical, and more aware of information.
So guys, paano sa tingin nyo nakaka-apekto ang think research and think innovative na mindset sa inyo? Para sa akin kasi it encourages me to be more critical and creative with everything I do. Example, studying. In the past, I used to think reviewing was such a chore, but now I'm trying to find more innovative ways to study. To make the process fun. Through researching, I found that answering complex problems with lively music makes me focus more.
Well, for me naman, it's about taking time to truly understand the situation instead of guessing or going with opinions. I've learned to look for facts first and then think better or different ways to do things. Research makes me more informed and aware, while innovation encourages me to be creative and open-minded. It's basically building a habit of always asking, can this be better? And actually doing something about it.
Being born in the modern era, it's almost impossible not to take for granted the technology we use today. But that mindset reminds me that innovation only happened because someone didn't settle for a stagnant routine and believed that there was something more that can be done. Within my community, this is an encouragement to move past traditions and the way things have always been done so we can actually address our local challenges using research and innovation.
Well, for me naman, to drive a national growth, people must adapt a think research mindset by making decisions based on data rather than hearsay. Well, by embracing think innovative naman, we can transform local challenges into opportunities for homegrown technological development. Well, this approach ensures that our progress is sustainable, self-reliant, and tailored to the unique needs of the Filipino people.
Sa akin naman, one way people can develop a think research mindset is by not immediately believing everything they see or hear without checking reliable evidence. At the same time, having a think innovative mindset means being open to new ideas and not being afraid to improve existing practices. Instead of sticking to what's already common, people should look for better, more efficient, or more creative ways to solve problems in their daily lives and their communities.
You know, I think that the society can develop a think research, think innovative mindset if we, as the common people of the nation, campaign upon it. I think fostering this type of mentality will boost the development of the nation. Everything starts with us, and this mindset should start with us, students of the new generation. You know, I remember Karen Nebasco said, together as a global community, our micro efforts will have a macro effect to help save our home, our planet.
Ay, so guys, nakalimutan ko yung mention kanina. In what ways do you think na kaya natin mag-develop ng think research and think innovative na mindset? Para sa akin kasi, siguro it begins with thinking like a researcher, staying curious, asking questions, and understanding real community problems. At the same time, thinking innovatively means turning these insights into practical solutions, even in small ways like improving daily systems or helping local initiatives. If individuals stay proactive and responsible, their efforts can go beyond personal success and create meaningful, lasting impact for community and the nation as a whole.
In a way, that mindset could also mean forcing us to step away from a passive observation to a more active and more thorough evidence-based approach to solving problems. You should be curious, questioning everything, finding more ways to approach a problem, refusing to believe that long-standing traditions are unchangeable, and instead wholeheartedly believing in a better future through communal effort.
Well, personally, think research, think innovative drives me to be a critical thinker who seeks evidence-based solutions for everyday problems. In my community, this mindset fosters a culture of proactive problem solving where we use technology to improve collective well-being. It shifts our focus from simply identifying issues to actively testing localized scientific ways to solve them.
For me, I think having a think innovative mindset means being open to new ideas and not being afraid to improve existing practices. I encourage people to question information, avoid misinformation, and look for reliable sources. I can contribute by suggesting small but meaningful improvements such as more effective ways of learning or organizing activities.
Research and innovation for me are the drivers of society success. Having better research and innovation in a community means a better life and development. So like for example, in an agrarian community, having better research and innovation gives them better tools and better equipment for them to have a better life. So I believe that we should foster the think research and think innovation mindset because it will boost the nation's prosperity.
I believe this mindset can really shape the future of our community and our nation. When people start thinking this way, they stop just complaining about problems and begin understanding so they can take real action. It encourages everyone to stay informed, think critically, and be open to new ideas.
Think innovation, think research, think STS!
Woo!